It was illegal in the first place. You asked the President why he accepted the resignation.
Madam Vice President, if you have any question insofar as the actions of this committee are concerned, I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
I will go to court. Araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty.
If our action of detaining your chief of staff is against the law, proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Sundin po natin yung batas
Kaya
dito
nga,
sa
sir,
House.
sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the President?
That is the decision of the committee as a whole.
Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? She's not safe. She fears for her life. Hindi siya makaisip ng maayos. Naku, sa tingin mo ba pag kinasyon namin yun, may apology? Hindi. Ang gagawin lang yan nila, pagtatakpan nila kung ano yung ginawa nila. Sinungaling yung mga putang inang yan eh. Pamilya na sinungaling yan. Lahat ng nasa Quadcom, yung lahat nasa good governance, pamilya ng sinungaling yung mga putang inang yan. Sorry, uy, pasensya na. Sabi ka, Inday, it's nothing personal. Nothing personal, sinira niyo yung pangalan ko. Okay lang yan. Papatayin niyo yung kasama ko sa UVP. Putang ina, hindi na kami mag-cooperate dyan. Hindi kami magpapakulong sa inyo.